Right, we are just getting the news. Military plane carrying 5 Marines crashes in California. Official says it was not immediately clear how many survived in the crash. An official said the plane, an MV-22B Osprey that belonged to the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing, crashed in a remote area 100 miles east of San Diego. Let's cover the more news here. Right, so a military aircraft carrying 5 U.S. Marines crashed in Southern California on Wednesday, according to a spokesman for the U.S. Marine Corps. It was not immediately clear how many survived the crash. The spokesperson, First Lieutenant Duane Campa, said the aircraft, an MV-22B Osprey that belonged to the 3rd Marine Aircraft Wing, crashed about 1 p.m. in a remote area near Highway 78. At Coachella Canal Road, which is near the Naval Air Facility in El Centro, Calif, about 100 miles east of San Diego. The authorities said the cause of the crash was under investigation. The Naval Air Facility in El Centro said that, contrary to initial reports, there was no nuclear material on board the craft. Multiple agencies and emergency medical workers responded to the crash site, said Jill Reboller, a spokesman for the Imperial County Sheriff's Office. The crash came almost 3 months after 4 Marines were killed in Norway during a NATO training exercise while using the same type of aircraft, an MV-22B, which can be operated as a helicopter or a turboprop aircraft, according to US Navy, right? So yes, this is the news here, and you can go ahead and find more on our channel. So make sure you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. We'll be coming back with more latest updates shortly. Thank you, stay tuned, and you can hit the subscribe button.